Alright, so I went to go train soccer today, and as soon as I got here, it started thunderstorming. Now, as you can see, we have a hailstorm going on here too, and you can hear the pieces of ice bouncing off my car. It's pretty crazy. They're not too big of hail ice balls, but they're big enough that I'm moderately worried about it denting my car. Oh, this is crazy. It was completely sunny maybe 20 minutes ago. Wasn't even a sign of rain. And now it's hailstorming, thunderstorming. Fun, fun, fun. Gotta love Georgia weather. All right. If anything else crazy happens, I'll report back. Bye.